Today, in this video, we are strolling around to Navigli Canal in Milan and see what's on the antique market here. Starting from these old and collectibles items from old film cameras, vintage toys, classic tea and dining sets, also these theater seats, knight's armor, or even E.T. himself. If you think that these luxury expensive bags tops it all, wait until you see this 10,000 euro skateboard. Before we start with how to get there, please hit the subscribe button, then hit the like button once you are finished watching this video. Thank you! First thing first, the antique market in Navigli Canal is a monthly event, which is held on every last Sunday. This video was taken on July 30th, 2023. I will leave a link in the description below to see the coming dates for the antique market in Navigli Canal here in Milan. Now, how to get to Navigli Canal? The easiest way is for you to reach the Porta Genova station. You can get there by taking the Metropolitana subway Green Line, that's the M2, or you can also take tram number 9, which starts from CENTRALE station and ends at Porta Genova. For this trip, I am taking the Metropolitana subway Green Line M2. Then walk my way to Via Casale. Along these streets, around the Navigli Canal area, there are nice cafes. Need I to remind you that Navigli Canal is also a perfect area to enjoy the aperitif in Milan. Let me know if we should do a video about the aperitif here in Milan. From Via Casale, we arrived at the middle of the Navigli Canal. Then we turn right and walk along the canal towards to the Ponte Via Valenza. It's already full of antique vendors selling their collections here. There are so many antiques you can see and buy in this market. So I decided to make chapters on this video to make it easier for you to enjoy this walk. As we strolling around, we found a small and beautiful venue in Navigli Canal that exhibits and sells some of their beautiful works. Let's get inside first and see what is inside this exhibition for a while. Let's head back to the Navigli Canal side, and welcome to the enchanting antique market of Navigli, nestled in the heart of Milan. Today we go back through time. where the past comes alive and the stories of yesteryears are waiting to be uncovered. As we are strolling around the narrow streets of Navigli, we found a treasure trove of collectibles that spans the ages. First up, old books, each one a gateway to a different world. An escape into the minds of generations past. The scent of worn pages ignites a nostalgia for the printed words. And what's this? Old film cameras and film rolls? If you have a passion for photography, or you want to start picking up on film photography, then this market has you covered. I also found a photo book of the street photography master himself, Henri Cartier-Bresson. As we are strolling around deeper into the market, we come across the vintage charm of old typewriters, reminding us of the power of the written word before this digital age today. Our walking adventure in Navigli Antique Market continues with a step into the childhood past. Where we encounter a collection of tin cars, train sets, matchbox car toys, airplane toys, and vintage dolls that once brought joy to children's faces. The warmth of nostalgia sweeps in as we found these beautifully crafted wooden house decorations and furnishings. From beautiful and detailed carved ornaments to sturdy wooden chairs. Each piece reflects a time when craftsmanship and durability were the norm. We also found rows of classic kitchen and pantry cabinets here. To complement the nostalgia, we also found so many antiques that will bring such a unique vibe to your house decoration, as well adding up to your antique collections. You can also browse the Strolling Around in Antique Market of Navigli in Milan video by chapter, or just keep watching and see all of these beautiful items at the Antique Market in Navigli Canal. The allure of fine tea sets and dining sets reveals the grandeur of past social gatherings, where conversations flowed as gracefully as the tea. Now, our strolling around in Navigli Antique Market has brought us closer to the 1980s era. We encounter retro furniture and house decorations, a vibrant blend of bold colors and eclectic designs. All the way from the furnishings to house decorations such as these super cool retro radios and phones. Movie enthusiasts will revel in this memorabilia section of the Navigli Antique Market. These relics transport us to the magical world of cinema, where dreams and imagination intertwine. And for those who seek luxury, the antique market of Navigli has much to offer. Exquisite Gucci, Prada, Fendi, and Louis Vuitton bags are on display. Now, brace yourself for the piece de resistance. A skateboard from the legendary Jean Michel Basquiat. This remarkable masterpiece is certified by none other than the Museum of Modern Art in New York. Its price tag of €10,000 reflects the rare artistry and historical significance it holds. Our strolling around journey through the antique market of Navigli comes to an end. If you ever find yourself in Milan, make sure to explore the Navigli Antique Market and discover the wonders that await in every corner. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the like button if you enjoy this video. Until the next video, ci vediamo!